Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to explain how to download ChatGPT APK on Android. So without further ado, let's dive right in. You used ChatGPT on browser and now you want to download APK. So watch the video till end. You'll be glad to know that now ChatGPT is available on Play Store. Yes, you heard right. Now ChatGPT is available on Play Store. It's published 26 July 2023. So go to Play Store and search ChatGPT and install the app, and then simply sign in and keep enjoying and keep using ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence. And that is how to download ChatGPT APK on Android. I have a request to you, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.